opportunities in the tire industry. Just let me give you a brief about JFK before I go further. We as JFK track the retail data in the country for a lot of products. We are here for the last 15 years in the Middle East. We have started tracking the automotive products from the last 1.5 years, but actual data available for the 1 year with us, for UAE, Saudi, and also we have started in the North Africa now. What we do is we have reports about the retail sales, the actual sales which has happened in the country for the tires, and also starting with batteries and oil very soon. So I'll just show you some few trends in the tire industries in these countries in the next few slides of mine. So what do? We basically help the countries around the world understand the dynamics of the retail sales of a product, and that helps you strategize your marketing around the right features, around the right distribution, around the right pricing. What you need when you're selling a product, you need to think like a customer. And when you're thinking like a customer, you need to know what is the preferred price of the customer, what is the main feature which is selling in the country, and that is what exactly we provide you with. Now, how do we do it? If you see, this is the retail, this is the normal logistical approach in any industry. Manufacturers selling to the wholesalers and the retailers, but what we track is only the retail sales to the end customer. So whatever trends I'm showing you now is only for the retail sales. They do not include the wholesale or the re-export which is happening in the market. Okay? How do we do this? When we basically start with any retail tracking, we need to know what the market is. As in, which are the shops which are selling this product. And to do this, we basically conduct a detailed study of the market with a face-to-face interview of all the shops in that country, which takes us around 6 to 7 months before actually starting with the retail audit. And based on that, you see the numbers which we have on top. On the left hand side is UAE and the right hand side is Saudi Arabia. So this shows you how many shops in Abu Dhabi alone selling tires, in Dubai, Sharjah, Northern Emirates. 300 shops approximately selling tires. This is tires which is new tires. We are not considering the shops selling only the used tires. These are the retail shops in each of this region. According to us, we always think tires is Sharjah market and will have maximum number of shops. But we see here maximum in Abu Dhabi followed by Dubai. And on the right hand side, we see the Saudi Arabia market. We have split it into 4 regions: West, South, Central and East. West being the main with Jeddah and Central being the main with Riyadh. So you see here 1,600 approximately shops in the Western region, whereas 1,071 shops in the Central region, selling only tires in these 2 countries. Okay, so once we had this universe with us, we basically collect data from a sample of these shops, and also we tie up with the main retailers to collect their sellouts. What we collect is only their sellout on each item level. And based on that, we produce the data every month to show you how many tires are selling in the market or how many batteries are selling in the market and so on. Now when we had done this census, we basically came across that in the tire shops, it is not only the tires selling, as we all know, it is also selling a lot of other products, the batteries, oils, spare parts, accessories. So most of the shops have an overlap for batteries and oil as well. So if you see 288 shops here selling car tires, whereas only 81 selling truck tires. Out of which most of the car shops had, car tire shops had batteries and oils as well. So there was a lot of overlap of battery oils in these shops. Similarly in Dubai and Sharjah. 301 shops, 289, 255 and 242 in these 4 regions. So you exactly know where you have to target your product in these shops. If you go into the Saudi market, in the central region, 1071 shops, out of which 963 shops selling car tires and 112 only selling truck tires. Whereas in the central region, in the western region, 535 shops selling car tires and 217 selling truck tires. And overlap again with batteries and oil in both of the regions. Now, based on this research of ours, after this census study of ours, we have started collecting the data on a monthly basis. And what we see here, we are showing you is the market size for the tires in UAE and Saudi. Now this is the data based on 9 months. So approximately for 12 months, 3.6 million tires being sold in the UAE, retail sales only. And in Saudi, approximately 9.6 million, because here what I am showing you is a 9 months data. So if you try to extrapolate it to a 12 months data, approximately 9.6 million tires being sold in the Saudi market, in the 4 regions. Okay. And what do we see? 80% of these tires are passenger car tires. We see so many 4x4s on the road, but the 4x4 is around 25% of the market. And if we look at Saudi Arabia, similarly around 80% passenger car tires and followed by the 4x4 here. But obviously the average selling price of the 4x4 is much higher than in both these countries. But what we have seen is the average selling price in Saudi Arabia is much higher than that in UAE. Okay. In terms of brand also, we have noticed that there are much more brands available in the Saudi Arabia than in UAE. As well as the average sales per shop is much higher in Saudi Arabia. Let me give you a few detailed insights into the UAE market. So where is this passenger car selling in the region? If you see here, 30% of passenger car from Dubai, followed by 30% in Abu Dhabi, 20% in Sharjah and 19% in the Northern Emirates. Whereas for the 4x4 market, 34% coming from the Dubai region, 30% from Abu Dhabi, 19% from Sharjah and 17% from the Northern Emirates. For the total market, Dubai is contributing 32% versus Abu Dhabi contributing 30% to the total market. Okay? And what is it that is selling? What is our guess? That mostly with the 4x4s, it will be the 17-18 inch which sell maximum. No, it is the less than equals to 15 inch which contribute the maximum to the market. 1.2 million tires of less than equal to 15 inch being sold in the market. Versus the next followed is the 16 inch with 647,000. The contribution of the higher sizes is much less, but yes, 18 inch in the higher sizes is the biggest contributor. And if you look at what is the price, the average selling price of a tire in the UAE. In Dubai, a less than equals to 15 inches for $76. Whereas in Abu Dhabi, it is $69. We always thought that Abu Dhabi would be having a higher price with its much more 4x4s, but no, it is Dubai which is having a higher price for a higher inch as well. 18 inch having $190 in Dubai versus a $300 for 19 inch. Whereas, so you exactly know what is the pricing you should have for these tires in the market with the reports. $323 for a more than 20 inch in Dubai versus 241. See the difference in the pricing in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Okay? And let us similarly see the data for the Saudi Arabia, what we have to see here. 53% from the West region in terms of volume. Okay? Which is Jeddah, Makkah, Medina. Whereas 24% from the central region, mainly driven by Riyadh. But if we look at the contribution here, we see that 72% again is coming from the western region for a 4x4 and 53% for the passenger car. So even in the western region, the selling more are the 4x4 compared to the central region. And what are the inches? Similar to Dubai, we see a less than equals to 15 inch being sold the maximum here. But if you see here, the west is much more in less than equals to 15 inch, but as we go to the 18-19 inch, it is a central which is gaining a range. So you exactly know which product and what is the distribution you should have in these regions with the reports. Okay? And the pricing. If you observe, unlike in Dubai, if you observe here, the central is having a higher pricing as compared to the western region. 248 for a 19 inch compared to $239 for the 19 inch. $183 for an 18 inch versus $176 in the western region. So the pricing in the central region is always higher if we see all the sizes for the central region compared to that of the western region. Okay? And as we all know, and that the North African market is a booming market, so I have included some slides for you with Egypt, which is one of the biggest market in the region. We started tracking the data in Egypt from the Jan this year, and based on that data, this is what we have. We are just doing the audit in two main cities of Egypt, Alexandria and Cairo. In these two cities itself, we have 14,000 in Alexandria and 2,300 outlets, 2,300 in Cairo, 2,300 in Alexandria versus 14,000 in the Alexandria region. And here, it is 2.7 millions of tires in a year. But let me tell you, this is only with the two cities coverage. So if you compare with Saudi, this market looks smaller, but this is only with the two cities. We are not covering the whole of Egypt in the retail tracking. So we can approximately say that it is 5 million tires in a year in Egypt with the total coverage of the whole country. And where do this exactly, what are the kind of shops which are selling these tires? How many shops having battery specialists? 244. Whereas car accessory specialist with the maximum number of outlets, 5,500 outlets in the country. 4,600 mechanical workshops. Fast fit, 2,100. Now how do we define a fast fit? Is basically one who provides a servicing other than denting, painting. So that's the difference between a mechanical workshop and a fast fit guy. So in terms of UAE, we would say that Auto Pro becomes a fast fit versus a normal car garage which even does the mechanical workshops. So 4,600 garages, whereas 2,100 fast fit car dealers and 5,500 accessory specialists in the city, in Egypt. And across the cities, what do we see here? This is the split of these number of outlets across the two cities. 4,700 outlets in Cairo versus 839 in Alexandria for the car accessories, whereas 511 for Alexandria versus 4,100 for Cairo. So that is the split of outlets across the cities. So basically the number of tires, the tire market is huge in Egypt. And what is it selling but? If you see, compare it with the UAE curve as well as the Abu Dhabi, Saudi Arabia curve, you don't see more of the 18, 19, 20. The majority is the 14 and the 15 inch. Much smaller rim diameters compared to the UAE and Saudi. Okay? So this is just a brief of the insights which we have provided about the UAE and Saudi. We basically have in our reports very detailed about what are the brands selling, but because of the confidentiality I cannot show you those slides here, as well as what is the distribution for which brand, for which feature, what sells. So basically you can have your market strategized around the reports. So this is some of the insights, and if any questions we can have it during the question and answer session.